Luxor, an ancient city in Upper Egypt, stands as a testament to a glorious past. This city, steeped in history, offers a unique window into the world of the ancient Egyptians, whose influence still resonates today. Known as Thebes in ancient times, Luxor was once the capital of Egypt during the New Kingdom. It was a thriving metropolis, a center of power, culture, and religion, where pharaohs ruled and monumental structures were erected. Today it is rightfully dubbed the world's greatest open-air museum. The city is a living, breathing testament to the grandeur of ancient Egypt, with its streets and landscapes dotted with awe-inspiring monuments. Luxor is home to a treasure trove of ancient Egyptian monuments and temples. Each structure tells a story, from the grand temples dedicated to the gods to the intricate tombs of pharaohs and nobles. These impressive structures offer a glimpse into the lives, beliefs, and grandeur of one of the most influential civilizations in human history. The hieroglyphics, statues, and carvings provide invaluable insights into the daily life, religious practices, and artistic achievements of the ancient Egyptians. Luxor is divided by the Nile River, with the East Bank considered the city of the living and the West Bank the city of the dead. This division reflects the ancient Egyptian belief in the afterlife and the eternal journey of the soul. The East Bank bustles with life and is home to magnificent temples like Karnak and Luxor. These temples were not only places of worship, but also centers of learning and administration, where priests and scribes played crucial roles in society. In contrast, the West Bank provides a serene and awe-inspiring journey through time. This area, known as the necropolis, is where the ancient Egyptians buried their dead, believing it to be the gateway to the afterlife. Here, amidst the desert hills, lie the Valley of the Kings, the Valley of the Queens, and other remarkable funerary temples. These sites are the final resting places of some of Egypt's most famous pharaohs and queens. Their tombs filled with treasures and inscriptions that continue to captivate archaeologists and visitors alike. The Karnak Temple complex, located on the east bank of the Nile River in Luxor, Egypt, is a sprawling testament to the architectural prowess and spiritual devotion of the ancient Egyptians. It is the largest religious structure ever built, spanning over 200 acres, and it stands as a monumental achievement in human history. This vast complex was constructed and expanded upon by generations of pharaohs over 2,000 years, each leaving their unique mark. Each addition reflects the changing architectural styles, religious beliefs, and political shifts of the time, making Karnak a living chronicle of ancient Egyptian civilization. The most impressive feature of Karnak is the Great Hypostyle Hall, a marvel of ancient engineering and artistry. This immense space is supported by 134 massive columns, each one a testament to the skill and vision of its builders. These towering columns, adorned with intricate carvings and hieroglyphics, create a sense of awe and wonder, drawing visitors into the depths of ancient mythology and history. The hall was designed to be a symbolic representation of the primordial swamp from Egyptian mythology, a place where creation began. The towering columns, like papyrus reeds, reach for the sky, symbolizing the connection between the earth and the heavens, while the ceiling depicts the heavens, adorned with celestial imagery that reflects the ancient Egyptians' view of the cosmos and their place within it. As the sun sets over Karnak, the temple complex transforms, bathed in the golden light of dusk. It stands as a timeless testament to human ingenuity and spiritual aspiration. Under the night sky, illuminated by the moon and stars, Karnak continues to inspire awe, a beacon of ancient wisdom and enduring legacy. South of Karnak, along the Nile's eastern bank, lies the majestic Luxor Temple. Connected to Karnak by a 3-kilometer-long avenue lined with Sphinxes, Luxor Temple was a center for the annual Opet Festival. This festival celebrated the god Amun-Re and his wife Mut, reaffirming the pharaoh's divine right to rule. Luxor Temple is renowned for its grand entrance, marked by 2 colossal statues of Ramses II and a towering obelisk. Only one obelisk remains today, its twin standing tall in Paris's Place de la Concorde. Inside the temple, visitors can marvel at the well-preserved reliefs depicting scenes from the Opet Festival and the reign of Ramses II. Across the Nile, on the west bank, lies the Valley of the Kings, a desolate yet awe-inspiring necropolis Hidden within these barren hills are the tombs of pharaohs from the New Kingdom, including Tutankhamun. Unlike the massive pyramids of the Old Kingdom, these tombs were cut into the valley's limestone cliffs. The tombs, richly decorated with colorful wall paintings and hieroglyphics, offer a glimpse into the ancient Egyptians' beliefs about the afterlife. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922, with its wealth of treasures, remains one of the most significant archaeological finds of all time. It provided invaluable insights into the burial practices and religious beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Section 5. Valley of the Queen's eternal resting place of royalty. Near the Valley of the Kings lies the Valley of the Queens, the final resting place for the wives, mothers, and children of pharaohs. While less imposing than the Valley of the Kings, the tombs in the Valley of the Queens are equally captivating. They are adorned with vibrant paintings and intricate carvings that reflect the high status of those buried within. The most remarkable tomb in the valley belongs to Queen Nefertari, the beloved wife of Ramses II. Known for its exquisite artistry and well-preserved colors, Nefertari's tomb is often called the Sistine Chapel of ancient Egypt. The walls and ceilings are adorned with stunning paintings depicting scenes from the Book of the Dead and Nefertari's journey through the underworld. Section 6. The Colossi of Memnon, guardians of a bygone era. Standing guard on the west bank are the Colossi of Memnon, two colossal statues of Amenhotep III. Once part of Amenhotep III's massive mortuary temple, these towering figures have stood sentinel over the Theban necropolis for over 3,400 years. Over time, the temple fell into ruin, leaving only these two imposing statues as a reminder of its former glory. The Colossi of Memnon were once renowned throughout the ancient world for their singing abilities. After an earthquake in 27 BC, the northern Colossus developed a crack. Every morning, as the sun rose and warmed the statue, the air passing through the crack would create a haunting sound, likened to a mournful cry. Section 7. Mortuary Temple of Hatshepsut, an architectural marvel. At the foot of the cliffs that embrace the Valley of the Kings lies the Mortuary Temple of Hatshepsut, a masterpiece of ancient Egyptian architecture. This temple, dedicated to the female pharaoh Hatshepsut, is unique for its innovative design and breathtaking setting. Hatshepsut, one of the few female pharaohs in Egyptian history, ruled Egypt for over 20 years. Unlike traditional Egyptian temples, which were built horizontally, Hatshepsut's temple rises in a series of terraces connected by ramps and staircases. The temple's design seamlessly blends into the surrounding cliffs, creating a harmonious balance between nature and human craftsmanship. Section 8. Luxor Museum, Treasures of a Glorious Past. Located on the East Bank, the Luxor Museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts from the ancient city and its surroundings. The museum's collection offers a fascinating glimpse into the daily life, religious practices, and artistry of the ancient Egyptians who lived and ruled in this region. Among its treasures are statues, reliefs, jewelry, and pottery. One of the museum's highlights is the Royal Cache, a collection of statues discovered in 1987 within Luxor Temple. This cache includes statues of pharaohs, gods, and goddesses hidden away for centuries and remarkably well preserved. Section 9. Luxor, a journey through time awaits. Luxor, with its awe-inspiring monuments and captivating history, offers a journey through time unlike any other. This ancient city, often referred to as the world's greatest open-air museum, is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders and historical marvels. From the towering columns of Karnak, which stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era, to the serene beauty of Queen Nefertari's tomb, adorned with intricate wall paintings that tell stories of the past, Luxor is a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Egypt. Its ancient architecture, with its grand temples and majestic ruins, speaks volumes about the civilization that once thrived here. As you wander through the temples and tombs, each step you take is a step back in time. You can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe at the ingenuity and artistry of this ancient civilization. The detailed hieroglyphics and carvings offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who once called this place home. Luxor is a place that will stay with you long after you've left its magical shores. The memories of its sunsets over the ruins and the evening glow of its temples will linger in your mind. So, come, explore the wonders of Luxor and immerse yourself in its rich history and culture, and let the whispers of the past transport you to a time when pharaohs ruled and gods walked the earth. The statues and monuments stand as a testament to the grandeur and mystique of ancient Egypt. This ancient city, with its timeless allure, promises an unforgettable journey of discovery and wonder. Whether you're an avid history buff or simply a curious traveler, Luxor offers an experience that is both enriching and awe-inspiring.